Introducing our WMS 750 for the Ram TRX. Now, I'm not going to tell you that it sounds like that. I'm not going to tell you that you're going to get 100 horsepower from a pulley and a catback exhaust. I'm not going to tell you it's going to be $500. But what I am going to tell you is you're going to get 30 to 50 horsepower to the ground with no tune, which means anytime you go to the dealership and they plug in the little device, they're not going to get the code that says aftermarket calibration detected. So you're good. I am going to tell you that it's 100% reversible. So in the event that something happens, super easy, as if it was never there. What you're going to get is lower pulley sleeve, cold air intake, and we're going to keep the Easter egg because you guys like that, and you're going to get a catback exhaust. We're going to install it for you in 1 to 2 days turnaround time, and it's going to run you $57.99 out the door. So again, cold air intake, lower sleeve, catback exhaust, labor, installation here at Rath Motorsports. Let's look at how it drives. Off the rip, nice throaty exhaust note, cruising, blower whine. See if we can get a low hit, see how much boost we pick up. 12 pounds. Pretty quick, feels solid.